Bay windows are a beautiful feature in many Lafayette homes. They add architectural charm, expand interior space, and invite natural light into living rooms, bedrooms, and dining areas. But with Lafayette's warm temperatures, high humidity, and seasonal storms, proper maintenance is essential to keep your bay windows performing and looking their best. The good news? With a few simple, consistent maintenance steps, you can protect your investment and extend the lifespan of your bay windows for years to come. Inspect seals and caulking regularly. Lafayette's humidity and frequent rain can take a toll on window seals over time. Because bay windows extend outward from your home, they have more joints and seams than flat windows, which means more areas that need attention. At least twice a year, check exterior caulking for cracks or gaps. Look for peeling or separation around the frame. Inspect interior trim for signs of moisture. If you notice deteriorating sealant, reapply high-quality exterior caulk promptly. Maintaining tight seals prevents water intrusion and helps preserve energy efficiency. Clean glass and frames properly. Keeping your bay windows clean does more than improve appearance, it helps you identify potential problems early. For glass, use a non-ammonia-based cleaner wipe with a microfiber cloth to prevent streaks. Avoid abrasive materials that can scratch coatings for frames. Clean vinyl or fiberglass frames with mild soap and water. Avoid harsh chemicals that may damage finishes in Lafayette's humid climate. Regular cleaning also helps prevent mold or mildew buildup along window edges. Monitor for condensation. Humidity can lead to condensation on window surfaces, especially during temperature shifts between indoor cooling and outdoor heat. Occasional condensation may not be a concern, but consistent moisture could indicate high indoor humidity levels. Ventilation issues. Seal failure between glass panes to reduce condensation. Use exhaust fans in kitchens and bathrooms. Maintain balanced indoor humidity levels. Ensure your HVAC system is functioning efficiently. If you notice fogging between panes, consult a professional to evaluate seal integrity. Check structural support. Bay windows typically include a roof or support bracket system. Because they project outward, they rely on proper structural support to remain secure. Annually inspect the exterior roof or top panel above the bay window support brackets or braces underneath. Signs of sagging or shifting after severe storms, it's wise to do an additional inspection to ensure everything remains secure. Maintain the bay window seat area. Inside many Lafayette homes, bay windows include a seating ledge or storage area. Because this section is exposed to direct sunlight and potential condensation, it's important to keep it dry and well maintained. Wipe down interior surfaces regularly. Avoid allowing moisture to sit on the ledge. Check for soft spots or discoloration. Protecting this area helps preserve both appearance and structural integrity. Ensure proper drainage. Bay windows are designed with built-in drainage systems to direct water away from the structure. Over time, debris such as leaves or dirt can block these channels. Periodically, clear debris from exterior areas around the window. Ensure drainage holes are unobstructed. Proper drainage is especially important in Lafayette, where heavy rain can occur during certain seasons. Schedule professional inspections. While routine homeowner care is important, professional inspections every few years can identify hidden issues before they become costly problems. An expert can assess seal integrity, frame stability, insulation performance, moisture protection. Preventative maintenance helps maximize the lifespan of your bay windows. Protecting your investment in Lafayette bay windows enhance both the beauty and value of your Lafayette home. With regular cleaning, seal inspections, moisture control, and occasional professional evaluation, you can keep them performing efficiently despite heat and humidity. By staying proactive with maintenance, you'll continue enjoying bright, open views and improved curb appeal, while protecting your home from unnecessary repairs.